Welcome to the Update iExpert Anchor Design software. This program can be used for all anchoring design applications. Populate Options tab to local parameters. Click OK to launch. After setting your application, dimensions, material, select the Loads chapter. In the Loads tab, there are two options: Design Loading and Calculate Design Load. Under Design Loading, multiple loads can be selected. Depending the application, select Standard, Seismic or Fire. Enter tension, shear and moment design for each of them. For the Seismic and Fire option, select the various criteria. Move to the Design tab. Select Load Combination and enter anchor depth if required. Initiate calculation to produce all possible anchoring solutions. Refine anchor options using drop-down arrows. Select appropriate anchoring solution. View load performance details of your selected solution. Different files can be downloaded, like Calculation Sheet and European Technical Assessment. This is a brief view of what is possible with the iExpert calculation software. More videos can be seen on our website.